Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Embracing text 51 and text 52 of chapter 8, prayers by Queen Kunti and Parikshit saved of first canto creation of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 51. Strinam mother dhatta bandhunam droho yo asavi hothitah karmabhir gruhamedhi yairnaham kalpo vyapohitum. I have killed many friends of women and I have thus caused enmity to such an extent that it is not possible to undo it by material welfare work. The Gruhamedis are those whose only business is to perform welfare work for the sake of material prosperity. Such material prosperity is sometimes hampered by sinful activities, for the materialist is sure to commit sins even unintentionally in the course of discharging material duties. To get relief from such sinful reactions, the Vedas prescribe several kinds of sacrifices. It is said in the Vedas that by performing the Ashwamedh Yajna horse sacrifice, one can get relief from even Brahma Hatya, killing of a Brahman. Yudhishthir Maharaj performed this Ashwamedh Yajna, but he thinks that even by performing such yajnas, it is not possible to get relief from the great sins committed. In war, either the husband or the brother or even the father or sons go to fight. When they are killed, a fresh enmity is created and thus a chain of actions and reactions increases, which is not possible to be counteracted even by thousands of Ashwamedh Yajnas. The way of work karma is like that. It creates one action and another reaction simultaneously and thus increases the chain of material activities binding the performer in material bondage. In the Bhagavad Gita 9.27-28, the remedy is suggested that such actions and reactions of the path of work can be checked only when work is done on behalf of the Supreme Lord. The battle of Kurukshetra was actually fought by the will of the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna, as it is evident from his version, and only by his will was Yudhishthir placed on the throne of Hastinapur. Therefore, factually, no sin whatsoever touched the Pandavas, who were only the order carriers of the Lord. For others who declare war out of personal interest, the whole responsibility lies on them. Text 52. Yatha panken pankam bhaha suraya va surakritam bhuta hatyam tathai vaikam na yajnair marashtu marahati. As it is not possible to filter muddy water through mud or purify a wine-stained pot with wine, it is not possible to counteract the killing of men by sacrificing animals. Ashwamedh Yajnas or Go Yajnas, sacrifices in which a horse or a bull is sacrificed, were not, of course, for the purpose of killing the animals. Lord Chaitanya said that such animals sacrificed on the altar of Yajna were rejuvenated and a new life was given to them. It was just to prove the efficacy of the hymns of the Vedas. By recitation of the hymns of the Vedas in the proper way, certainly the performer gets relief from the reactions of sins, but in case of such sacrifices improperly done under inexpert management, surely one has to become responsible for animal sacrifice. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, there is no possibility of performing the yajnas perfectly for want of expert brahmanas who are able to conduct such yajnas. Maharaj Yudhishthir therefore gives a hint to performing sacrifices in the age of Kali. In the Kali Yuga, the only sacrifice recommended is the performance of Hari Nam Yajna inaugurated by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But one should not indulge in animal killing and counteract it by performing the Hari Nam Yajna. Those who are devotees of the Lord never kill an animal for self-interest, and as the Lord ordered Arjun, they do not refrain from performing the duty of a Kshatriya. The whole purpose therefore is served when everything is done for the will of the Lord. This is possible only for the devotees. Thus end the Bhakti Vedanta purports of the first canto, 8th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Prayers by Queen Kunti